I chose to come to Drucker School because I was very drawn to the Drucker philosophy. I do believe that social impact investing is one of the biggest things that I want to do throughout my career. I really like that we have a small student-faculty ratio. The learning environment is very intimate. Coming from a large school, I felt for undergraduate that I was one of the 400 students, and versus here, I feel like I was very important and that any questions that we have, we were able to get an answer. And with that said, our professors and faculty members are very also helpful and passionate throughout my journey leading Drucker and Impact this semester. Drucker Net Impact is a student-led organization affiliated with Net Impact, which is a global organization focusing on encouraging students and professionals on sustainability issues in different sectors. I see what I'm learning now, a lot of the Drucker philosophy. I do plan to take that away, deep in my heart and implement them in action by doing not just the volunteer work, but also encouraging others to think about the bigger community that they're influencing, and also to implement that in the corporate world, that serving the community is what the leadership is about.